This video will demonstrate how to repair damaged industrial cable using a 3D former and Belzona elastomer. Abrasive environments take their toll on equipment. The constant dragging and flexing of cables can leave wires exposed, causing a significant safety hazard. Once any loose rubber has been cut away, prepare the surface until a woolly finish has been achieved. Apply Belzona 9111 cleaner degreaser following a patch test in accordance with the instructions for use. Once dry, apply Belzona 2911 Elastomer Quick Dry Conditioner, working it into the surface to ensure a strong bond. Mask both sides of the prepared area to avoid any overspill. Next, apply Belzona 9411 Release Agent to the former, ensuring all the grooves and cavities are coated. To mix Belzona 2131 Durable and Abrasion-Resistant Fluid Elastomer, stir the solidifier thoroughly to reincorporate any settlement. Pour the entire contents of the base container into the mixing bowl, then add the solidifier and mix for 3 minutes. 3D printing technology combined with a Belzona elastomer provides a cost-effective and timely repair. Using CAD, a former can be 3D printed to the exact dimensions of the damaged cable. The durable design means can be used for repeat applications. Wet out the former with Belzona 2131, ensuring all grooves and cavities are coated. The remainder of the mixed product should be poured into a cartridge for injection. Place the formers into position around the cable defect. Press them firmly together until they interlock, and secure with cable ties. The remaining material should be injected from the port underneath to force out any entrapped air, whilst ensuring 100% contact with the substrate. When the material exudes from the vent on the top of the former, plug and leave to cure. The former can then be removed, revealing a durable, abrasion-resistant repair. The application is now complete.